Welcome, everyone. Hopefully, this is a good week. So, the priorities today are trying to finish assembling all of those printed parts. So, hopefully, those are all done at this point, and you've heard what we need to be doing. So, that allows us to be able to get all of the bits and pieces done, get everything working and functioning. That should allow you guys to be able to get the cars put together, get everything finished, get everything buttoned up, and be able to actually make an attempted run today. So hopefully there's not been major issues with the kits and parts availability and all of those details. These should be pretty exciting. You guys can submit a link to a video posted to YouTube or whatever. That's generally the easiest of the car, even if it's an attempted run, as long as you do better than a group did one year where they printed a minivan, chucked all the parts inside, and abandoned it on the side of the road on the track, thinking that that was meaningful effort. They didn't get a lot of points out of that, so don't do that. Other than that, good work on these cars so far. I know everybody's been pushing pretty hard to get everything done toward the end of the semester here, so there's a lot of chaos going on. Good work, keep doing it, and we will continue being able to do, I think, some pretty interesting things. Next week, we're going to have our final attempt or final pass at the CSWA exam, so hopefully you guys are feeling a little bit more ready for that, and we will be able to get that all done. So there should be some folks around to help you guys actually get into the room. Just don't try and run the cars while somebody else is doing a class unless you've talked to the instructor already. Generally, most of them are pretty accepting and tolerant of that. Not all of them are, so it is what it is. So good luck on your cars. Good. Thank you for all of the hard work, and I'll try and make sure that you guys have timely feedback for all of this. So I will catch you guys next week in preparation for the CSWA.